In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly change your payment method on Agoda in 2025. Whether you're planning your next vacation or simply managing your bookings, updating your payment information is crucial to ensure seamless transactions. Let's dive right into this full guide. First, head over to the official Agoda website. This is where it all begins. The landing page is your gateway to exploring countless destinations and booking accommodations with ease. If you haven't done so already, sign into your Agoda account. To do this, click on the Sign in with Google option. This option is not only convenient, but also provides a secure and quick way to access your account without having to remember an additional password. Make sure you're logged in before proceeding with any booking, so all your preferences and previous searches are saved for future reference. Once signed in, you'll be taken to the Agoda homepage. Feel free to explore various deals and options available, but for our focus today, let's get to the task at hand. Next, direct your attention to the search bar. Here, you can type in the name of the destination or hotel you're interested in, or any flight details if that's what you're booking. This search functionality is quite powerful, allowing you to filter by date, room type, or traveler ratings. Take a moment to carefully choose exactly what suits your travel needs and preferences. After refining your search, select a hotel or flight that catches your eye, click on the desired option, and you'll find more details about it. Hotels usually show their amenities, room sizes, and reviews, which can help you make an informed decision. Once you've made your choice, hit the Book Now button. This is an important step that transitions you from window shopping to a confirmed traveler, ready to secure your spot. As you proceed with your booking, you'll find yourself on the payment page. This is where you can select or change your payment method. Agoda offers various payment options including credit cards, debit cards, and sometimes even PayPal depending on your region and the property's policy. Ensure your preferred payment method is selected or updated. This ensures a smooth and hassle-free booking process. In conclusion, once your payment information is updated, review all the details on your booking for any discrepancies. Double check the dates, the accommodation and payment method. And once everything looks correct, confirm your booking. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully changed your payment method on Agoda. Next time you book, everything will be ready and set to go, making your travel planning experience seamless and effortless. Thank you for watching and happy travels with Agoda. If you found this guide helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical tips in the future. Safe travels, everyone.